Hello, everybody. George Gillis Jr. here, and I'm glad you're here today. That if you see this video, then you're in the right place to start marketing. If you're an affiliate marketing, network marketer, or any kind of home business opportunity, you get a chance to view this video, and you tell me what you think after it's all done. Hi, I'm George Gillis Jr., and I'm with Best Marketing Ideas, and we just want to give out a little valuable information to show the people and the public the program that I'm in. I'm in a couple, two or three, but today we're only going to talk about one program right now, and I just wanted you to see this video to see what you think, and then we can show you how to build a six-figure income from this program. Now, the program that I'm in is called My Income Club system, and produced by two guys that was six and seven figure entrepreneurs, been online for a long time. And I joined My Income Club about 3-4 months ago, and I'm building leads and making sales and commissions from this system because it's promoting inside the members area, is promoting 4 or 5, maybe 3 or 4 or 5 income streams, as an affiliate, because I am an entrepreneur and I am a affiliate marketer. I like affiliate marketing because it builds my brand, it builds my trust with other people, and I want to give out valuable content for my people that as they see the links in the video, below the video, and wherever it is, it's a legit program. Most of them are legit because I don't promote anything that doesn't work. And the only reason why I say that is because programs work because people make them work. What you have to do is people invest in different things because they are not investing in the program, they invested in you. They want to see what you are doing and how you're making it happen. Now, My Income Club put together for this presentation was put on, for me, and man, I fell in love with it. I don't know what to say about it more than if you keep watching this video, you will see exactly what I'm talking about when it's time to go through the links, and you will see exactly what these guys have to offer. It builds your email list, subscriber list at AWeber. And when somebody goes through your link to get involved, and they have to use the email list inside the program, which is AWeber is what they recommend, and you build your list, and you get paid as an affiliate. Now, the first income stream that I joined that helped me a whole lot was my e-com system. My e-com system allowed me to fix my credit, build my credit score from poor to a little over 710 right now at this moment as we speak. And that's pretty good. And I refer to others to get into it, and they're also making money with this program, and also building their credit and fixing their credit report. It's a lot of opportunity inside of here. And the next program, the number 2 program income stream inside, is my Easy One Up program. Easy One Up is a financial tool suite that allows you to do financial business opportunities. I mean, you'll love it. And then you build on the level and make money from it also too. So inside this program that I'm featuring today is My Income Club. And you can get started today by clicking on one of the links you may find below on the side of this video, on the back, somewhere. I don't know. It's at the bottom. It all depends on where we put them at. But what we want to do is we're going to keep coming to you with these videos as much as we can, and we're going to provide some value and some content and things that we can help you get where you need to be. Now, I know there's a lot of scams out there. There's a lot of everything out there that ain't no good. But look, some of these programs, if you're looking to start a home-based business, some of these programs work. You just have to work them. Now, in order to start a real six-figure business, right off the bat, and you can do this, you have to put forth the work and the action to get this done. And you can get this done inside. I'm going to have a link to another program that is going to get you quality USA leads where you can get this and purchase it for $60, and you can use the leads. You can mail them from inside every 24 hours, I think, or something like that. You get 100 to 200 fresh leads that you can use to mail to every day. And the click-through rates and all of that stuff is going to be phenomenal. They're out of this world. A lot of marketers today and gurus are using this system not just for the compensation as an affiliate, because they don't pay too much for that. But, you know, you can build as they go. I got a lot of friends that I'm involved with that have showed me their stats, that have showed me that, you know, you can build on that too. But you could turn your business into a six-figure business every month by using what's already done for you. Now, my income club system is already done for you. They got the capture pages, they got the follow-up, they got the training, they got the support, everything that you need in here that's going to allow you to take your business to the next level. Huh? You plug in with these businesses that's already working, and you send out your mailings, and you refer others to the program and allow you to get paid inside the system and build a six-figure business. Now, check it out. This ain't going to happen overnight. It's going to take work and dedication. You got to put this in place. You know, you got to research, do your build the capture pages, and I just use this system because it's just already done. It's hands down. All I have to do is promote it. All I have to do is send traffic to my capture pages, and I'm getting results every single day. And you can do the same thing too. So if you have an opportunity to watch this video on the next page, get your system, sign up for your free account. They're going to give you My Income Club for free. And then you join the programs inside. And if you feel like that this is something you want to do, and you want to start building a six-figure business, you can do this today. Get started today, and we'll see you on the inside. Thank you, and have a blessed day.